What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel again, and I'm back today with some news. Not KTM news though, for once. It's Kawasaki news. If you guys know me, if you've been around the channel long, you know I rode Kawi for 15 years. I actually still have way more Kawis in the garage than I do KTM, so I'm really interested in this. Kawasaki's doing some new vehicle launches, and they've shown us a photo, and they have 3 machines in the front row and looks like 6 in the back row. Now the front row is supposed to be revealed tomorrow, May 3rd, and the back row is launching on June 7th. So pretty excited about this because in this front row, really quick, we can see what looks to be 2 motorcycles, and we can assume they're not just street motorcycles because we can see some spoked wheels. So have to have at least some kind of dirt capability, and we see a side-by-side. Now, if you look closer at this photo, it looks like the side-by-side is maybe more of a utility or a mule because of how high the roll bars and windshield and everything are, where you can see the ones in the back are clearly more like a KRX style. But yeah, so in the front we see 2 motorcycles and a utility, so that's what we can talk about tomorrow. And then in June, we're gonna see those 3 KRX style side-by-sides, and then interestingly, we see 3 kids bikes right there. Now the smallest one on the end, I've been told that we can expect that to be some kind of Stasic style electric kids bike. I don't think it would be just a branded Stasic. I don't think Kawi would do a big launch event like that for a branded Stasic, but we will see. Maybe it's a branded Stasic style bike from a different manufacturer. I don't know, but that's pretty exciting. And why is this pretty exciting? Kawi has made some bold claims in the last year. They've said that they are going to completely stop making stop making gas bikes by 2035. Everything will be electric. And they've said that all these new electric bikes are coming out in the next few years. And so maybe one of these is electric. We'll just have to see. But either way, Kawi, we've had issues with Kawi in the past giving us a bunch of model options like KTM does. And it seems like they're maybe getting out of that funk they were in of not that many options, and they're going to give us some new bikes. So I'm excited about this. You guys will get all this news right here on this channel. As soon as Kawi drops it, I'll give you guys some photos of it, tell you my 2 cents on it if you care. And yeah, we'll go over it together. So the front row launches tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So come back to the channel. I'll have a video shortly after that. And leave your comments in the comment section down below. Appreciate you all. Please let today be the day I earn your subscription. Hit the bell. Maybe even hit the blue join and join the race team. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.